Hello, I'm Michael Rashad, and in this video we're going to talk about data normalization, specifically when you shouldn't normalize. We're looking at a sample set of data, 5,000 names and addresses, and I've sorted those records by the city, so you can see that we've got multiple people in a single city. Could we normalize this? Absolutely. We could create a record in a cities table for each city. Should we? Absolutely not. Cities don't change. You can set the field to type ahead to use existing values so that you will eliminate typing errors. But there's not a lot of point in putting this data in a separate table just because it's more work than necessary and it's easier to type the information in or select from a list. So when you're looking at a set of data, always think to yourself, is this worth normalizing? Because a lot of the time it won't be.